Welcome to Eurocard Baby Strollers channel. Today we have a great pleasure to introduce you to 2022 brand new product made by Riko, and it's called Nuno Pro. Peter, tell us something more about it. Is it a stroller or is it a pram, multifunction pram? What is it going on with this one?
Actually, it's difficult to call it,
okay.
Because first of all, it is a stroller. I mean a pushchair with a reversible seat unit, but there is a soft carrycot, this is how we call it, a kind of an infant carrier included in set. So we can advertise it either as a two-in-one stroller, yes, because when we reverse the seat unit and place the infant carrier inside, we've got a pram. Or we can advertise it as a pushchair or a stroller with additional accessory for a small baby. So either way, I believe it's proper to call it.
Our clients, previous users, may know Nuno as a stroller that was only facing forward. I believe the main difference between Nuno Pro and the previous version is reversible seat. Is that correct?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So far, the only pushchair in Riko range was Nuno. And Nuno had a seat always facing forward. So we decided to make a new version with reversible seat unit. I can present how it works. We just use these adapters here and reverse the seat unit facing the parent or facing forward.
And the infant carrier comes standard with it.
Yes, we cannot buy the stroller without the infant carrier. The infant carrier is an integral part of the set with the stroller, together with rain cover, mosquito net, and mama bag, which we can see here. It's all included in set. We cannot buy these parts separately, or we cannot buy the stroller without those accessories.
Okay, actually that was my question. What else comes standard with this one? What else is new about this stroller, multifunction pram?
We've got a new suspension system, which you haven't seen in Riko range before. I will show it maybe more forward to the camera. This is a kind of a semi-automatic braking system. We just press one time and it's unlocked. We press another time and it's locked. We also have a kind of an indicator here, which is either red or green. Of course, red means that the stroller is locked, the brake is locked, and green means that it's open. This suspension system is also very soft. It works here. It's a kind of an additional shock absorber, and also near the rear wheels. Of course, there is also front suspension, but the soft one we can feel more in the rear. Both the main shock absorbers and the additional one are adjustable, so we can make it tougher. We just do like this or like this. So the spring gets longer or shorter, and we can adjust the suspension to the weight of the child. Yes,
that's very convenient.
Yes. This one here is also adjustable. It's underneath, so I will not show how to use it. But there is a button or a lever which we have to pull and make the springs shorter.
Okay, so actually it can last a little bit longer, and it might be something like a compromise between purchasing regular, like smaller size stroller, and actually can be used a little bit longer.
Exactly, especially that the seat unit is certified according to the new EN 1888 standard version from 2018, which means that the stroller is appropriate also for baby up to 22 kilograms, not up to 15 as it used to be in all Riko products, but up to 22, which is a general rule for all new Riko products for 2022. Let me present how to put this in.
Sure, of course.
We have to make the backrest flat lying, remove the bumper bar. If you could hold the bar for me, and we have this kind of soft carrycot. As we can see inside, we have a nice white cotton fabric with a nice pattern. There are
handlebars.
Yes, and the system of attaching to the stroller is with these buckles here, or with this carabiner, which we can attach to the seat belts system. And we just place the soft carrycot inside the stroller. We attach it using either of the systems. We use two systems because we also want this to match the stroller in any configuration. Yes, exactly. And now we've got the Pram version. Yes, so the one which we can use for a younger baby. When baby grows up, we can simply remove the carrier, and, for example, install the seat unit facing front to the parent, which is a typical version for older babies, because older babies don't want to sit backwards, they want to sit forward and see the world.
Exactly. I remember this one when my son was in the stroller, and everything was interesting for him but parents.
Exactly.
Also, I have noticed a zipper right over here.
Yes.
What does it do? What does it hide?
This is an additional section of canopy, so we can just enlarge the canopy, cover a baby from sun. So there is no need using any sun parasols or sunshades. We can do just like this. If we want to make the canopy shorter, we can either fold it, or we can remove this sun visor. As we can see, we have a zipper here, so we can either remove it completely, which is also good for packing because this part is stiff, so it doesn't get damaged during transportation, or we can just bend it inside to make the canopy shorter.
I have also noticed a completely different running bar, handlebar.
Yes, this is also something new. Usually the handlebar adjustment was a kind of an extension of the main tube, of the handlebar. Here it's a bit different. So it can revolve 360 degrees.
Both ways.
Both ways, yes. This is essential for folding, because we can hide this part completely and make the chassis even smaller after folding. And of course, there is a bigger range of adjustment, which is also useful for parents.
Yes, shorter parents.
Sometimes an older baby, older child also pushes the stroller, right? So we can make it very low, in fact.
Another question that I have noticed those huge wheels.
Yes, these are PU wheels. I mean, the tires are made of PU material. They are quite flexible, so let's say that they provide similar suspension to air wheels, but in fact you cannot damage them almost in any way. They will not rub off completely, you can be sure. And also there is no problem with pumping or other things.
So it is much easier to use, and it does not require too much of the maintenance.
And it's also very light.
That's big. That's a huge advantage.
This is the most modern style of wheel that Riko brand uses in their products. There are different styles of the rim, but the tire is always the same, and all new items for 2022 have exactly the same style of tire. The mama bag can be removed, of course. I will show it. We also have shoulder strap, so we can use it like this. There are many useful pockets. If you could hold this for me.
Of course.
I will show the folding. It's better to unlock the wheels because the chassis will be smaller. And open the brake. We have two pullers here, and we just fold the stroller to this position. We can hide the handlebar and bend the leg rest. If we remove the seat unit and remove the rear wheels, then the reversible handlebar will make the chassis that smaller. Yes, so if we have a small car with a small trunk, we can easily pack this stroller even to some very small city cars.
And huge advantage I can see as well, that you can fold it with the seating installed.
Yes, this is a standard now in all Riko's strollers, so we can fold the frame together with the seat unit to quite compact size. It's not very small, but please remember that this is a big stroller for a bigger baby. The intention is to use it during the whole period when you need a stroller for a child. So you can have only one stroller
for quite some time.
Yes, exactly.
For this moment, I guess I do not have any further questions.
Well, I will just say that we have all the colors here. So we have a range of 5 colors. The fabric structure is a kind of a jeans, I would say. The structure of the fabric looks this way, but it is a melange fabric, very soft in touch. We have very modern colors, 2 vivid colors and 3 more standard colors like beige, dark gray and light gray. The last stroller here also has a foot cover, which is also a part of a set. We left it here to show it. Of course, it is a part for winter or for autumn, colder days. It comes in set like all other accessories which we presented here today.
I can also see there's a small zipper at the leg cover. Is it something like a pocket, additional pocket?
Yes, this is a kind of a pocket. We use many design details like this. There are many different pockets, but I think that we will not show such details here today. We will let you something to discover after you find these strollers in your shops.
Okay, thank you so much
for
your help, and hopefully it will be very helpful for you to make the purchase. Thank you for your attention, and I will see you next time.
See you next time.